Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to dropship on Amazon from Aliexpress. Dropshipping is a popular business model that allows you to sell products online without having to hold inventory or handle shipping. Aliexpress, an online marketplace, offers a wide range of products at a competitive price, making it a popular choice for dropshipping entrepreneurs. Amazon, on the other hand, is a leading e-commerce platform with a massive customer base, offering great opportunities for sale and growth. Dropshipping from AliExpress to Amazon comes with its challenge, but with the right strategies and tools, you can build a successful, profitable business. In today's video, we'll share some valuable tips and best practices to help you navigate the process and maximize your chance of success. So, whether you are new to dropshipping or already having some experience, this guide will provide you with the knowledge insights that would help you start dropshipping on Amazon from AliExpress. So, let's get started. Now, as you already know, there is no direct way to connect AliExpress and Amazon together. So, therefore, you wouldn't be able to officially or directly start a dropshipping business with AliExpress on Amazon. But in today's video, I'll be teaching you how you will be able to pull off this trick, whereas you will be able to use AliExpress on your Amazon, which is very similar to dropshipping, not direct dropshipping, not official dropshipping, but you will be able to do something very similar. So let's get started. Now, how our trick will work is that, as you can see here, I have made a very simple diagram which shows you how our plan would work. So basically, this is our customer over here. The girl with the bag, this is our customer. They'll be buying from our Amazon store, wherein we will be able to earn their address information, their contact information when we'll be ordering on AliExpress, and then AliExpress will deliver it directly to the customer. That is how our plan for today's video would work. Basically, what we are going to do first is we're going to set up our store. We're going to post our products on Amazon, and then when customers see our product wherein they buy from Amazon, we will then start ordering from AliExpress to be delivered directly to the customer. Therefore, we wouldn't need to care about inventory or any of those things. All you need to do is to simply order whatever your customer ordered once again to AliExpress, and that will serve as a drop shipping model that would allow you to use AliExpress and Amazon together. So that's our plan. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to AliExpress over here right now. I'm currently on our AliExpress, and what we're going to do is we're going to look for a product that we would like to download or that we would like to sell in our Amazon over here. So we are simply going to look for a product. Now, what I suggest, when you're looking for a product, look for something that people are usually buying a lot. So as you can see here, there are a lot of people buying this RGB Bluetooth LED over here. You could use this and sell this on your Amazon, or you could also explore Amazon and look through the different things or do the different trends that are in Amazon right now, and then look for the products in AliExpress. So let's give it a try. For example, we would like to look for fitness materials. So we are going to click on fitness on Amazon, and we're going to fix our customer reviews. We're going to go with 5 stars and up, and let's see which product or which item has the most product sold and like the most rating. So for example, we have this apps machine over here. So basically the product is a machine. So we're going to go to AliExpress and we're going to search a machine, click on enter, and let's see if we will be able to find similar products. Do this product over here. Now you can see the difference between the pricing for Amazon. This product is 69 over. So we are going to check out our products over here. As you can see, we have different products over here. Although not very similar, we can see some similarities over here. For example, this one over here now, we could look for more products. You get the idea. You're going to look for popular products in Amazon, search them on AliExpress. So for example, we're going to go with this one over here. going to open this, and now what you're going to do is you're first going to set up your Amazon store in Amazon. You are simply going to set it up when you're going to add like your products. So when you're going to add your products, now you're going to go to AliExpress over here. Then you're going to copy the title in this section, copy it entirely, paste it on your Amazon products page, and then do the same thing for the image, each and every image that you are seeing right now. And you're also going to copy the description over here, like under the description, going to copy all of this information, and then you're going to paste it on your Amazon over here so that you'll be able to have the same description and the same information. You could also check out the specifications over here, and you could download them, or you could copy them as well. Now, what do you do, or how do you download the photos? Because when you try to download it right off the AliExpress, you won't be able to download the specific photos. As you can see here, you wouldn't be able to download them as a PNG or a JPEG. So what you're going to do is you're going to download extension that you'll be able to use to download images out of all AliExpress. So the extension is called AliSave, which is an extension that you'll be able to download and install into your browser. And as you can see, this is what it will show you. You'll be able to download the main image, the variant, or download all of them over here. Or you could also download them from all images and videos here, the description image and feedback image over here, which could be very useful when you add them to your Amazon over here. Now, like what I said earlier, this is how our scheme would work, right? If the person ordered from our Amazon, let's assume this is our Amazon store and people ordered out of this. And when they click on buy now or at the cart, and then when they proceed to check out the product, you'll be able to receive their address and like contact information. Now, going back here, you're going to go back to AliExpress. You're simply going to click on buy now again over here on AliExpress this time, and you're going to order with the information that the customer has given to you through Amazon. Over here, you're simply going to enter their address, their contact number. I like all of those information that you need to send a product to the customer, and basically you will transfer the order from your Amazon store to your AliExpress server here, and you'll be able to sell directly, or you'll be able to have a drop shipping model where you'll be able to sell without having to keep inventory by using this scheme that we have over here. And you simply do that with all or any product that you would like. You could go and add as many products as you want, although it takes a lot of work and like a lot of puzzle compared to other drop shipping platforms out there and drop shipping interactions. AliExpress and Amazon is more on manual work, and you would have to take your time and like give some effort to be able to successfully make an AliExpress and Amazon drop shipping business. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.